If you've ever dreamed of playing piano but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today I'm reviewing Skoove Premium Piano Lessons. Skoove is an interactive piano learning app designed for complete beginners, intermediate players, even advanced learners. It uses AI technology to listen to your playing and give you real-time feedback. That means it actually hears the notes you play and tells you what's right and what needs improvement. It's like having a piano teacher, but in your pocket. And guess what? Over 1 million users are already learning with it. Here's what makes it different: real time feedback. Skoove listens to your piano through your device's microphone or MIDI connection. If you press the wrong note, it tells you instantly. Step by step lessons. You don't get overwhelmed. Lessons are bite sized, structured, easy to follow. Perfect for beginners. 400 plus lessons premium. With the premium plan, you get 400 plus piano lessons, monthly updated songs, special courses, one-on-one instructor support, and the lifetime deal gives you access forever. What songs can you learn? This is my favorite part. You can play pop hits from artists like John Legend, Adele and the Beatles, classical music from Bach and Beethoven, beginner-friendly songs, technique-building exercises. So you're not just practicing boring scales, you're playing real music. Device compatibility. You can use Skoove on iOS, Android tablets, MIDI keyboards, acoustic pianos. Important note: desktop is no longer officially supported, but you can still use it with third party apps if needed. Let's talk about the lifetime deal. Normally, Skoove Premium costs $29 a month, but on Stack Social, you can get the lifetime subscription for $149. If you plan to learn piano long term, this saves a lot of money. If you want to check out the lifetime deal, I'll leave the link in the description below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews.